These are the elevators at the newly renovated Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania Innovation Universal and Original Westinghouse call buttons. These have been slightly modernized and slightly original Westinghouse Type A. 15 LED buttons. Go to 15. These are the low-rise elevators. Indicator has been replaced. I believe the controller has been replaced, but the fixtures are original. These are very fast. The fan turns on while it's moving. Here are 15, go back down to 1. These are incredibly fast. That button spins around. It's a dash. Door close button on this side, but not on the other side. That's weird. Doors open Pittsburgh is today, so that's how I can get in. ADA phone. Pretty basic and nice cab. Look at that ceiling. I like that ceiling. Indicator's been replaced. That's not the original indicator. I really like this texture. Very interesting texture. That's a cabinet. Here we are at 1. These may not look original, but these are the original buttons. I believe these are Adam's replacement over here. These are the ADA compliant buttons. Those are the non-ADA. I believe this building was built in the 60s. LED. Look at that. I like that design. I believe it may stay on up peak. Up, nope. Innovation Universal call button. There it goes, and that's it. There's also a Westinghouse call button, but this button does not work.